Hi, greetings, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Mr. Naza John. In my last video, I already reviewed the headset microphone, the TOA microphone right here, the one that I'm recording right now, and the Rode NT1. Okay, so today I'm going to do another review of a microphone, but now it's going to be a wireless microphone. Okay, now let's do the unboxing. Right, in this episode, I'm going to review this wireless microphone system from BOYA BY-WM8 PRO K2 UHF dual channel wireless microphone system. Okay, I bought this around 600 ringgit. Okay, inside the box there is omnidirectional lavalier microphone, stereo 3.5mm mini plug cable, and then we have XLR output cable, which we can use it to our audio interface, and then we have belt clip, microphone holder clip, windscreen, and then shoe mount adapter if you want to mount the transmitter or the receiver to your camera. Okay, it says here ideal for interviews, ENG, EFP, film production, provide of high quality and clear sound, dual channel wireless receiver, 48 ultra high frequency channel, UHF, selectable stereo and mono mode, plug and record functionality, mic and line in, selectable mute function, easy to read LCD display, automatic LCD lock function, and it uses 2 AA batteries. Okay, the box is quite small. Alright, now I'm going to open the box. Okay, alright, TX8 Pro plus TX8 Pro and plus 1 RX8. TX means the transmitter, and then the RX means the receiver. Okay, okay, the box is very small and slim. It's about 2-inch thick. I think it's about A4 size, a very small profile. Okay, inside the box there is a manual instructions. Okay, 3.5mm, 2 lavaliers, 1 XLR. Okay, and then this is the shoe mount adapter, the clip, and this is the receiver. This is the transmitter. Alright, I'm going to hook this up. There's no battery included in the set, so we have to use our own battery. Alright, so I'm going to hook this up and try. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over a lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over a lazy dog. This is the audio test of the BOYA WM8 Pro K2. Okay, I'm using the lavalier mic, which I put it here. Alright. The quick brown fox jumps over a lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over a lazy dog. the quick brown fox jumps over a lazy dog. Alright, as you can see here, okay, this is the current channel. Okay, you have 48 channels you can choose, and then there's a battery indicator, and then on off is on top here. Okay, and then there's a clip at the back, and then there's a screw for tripod mounting, and then this is the antenna for the ultra high frequency transmitter. Okay, and then the button is quite recessed. Okay, it's quite impossible for you to accidentally press the buttons. Okay, and then it has this press 2 buttons to unlock the function. Alright, and then on the transmitter you can see this blue LED indicator. Means if you can see the blue LED indicator on both both device, the transmitter and the receiver, means it's already connected to each other. Okay, and then if you see this blue indicator becomes red, means you need to change the battery. Alright, okay, right now I'm putting the microphone is around 6 inches from my mouth. Okay, and I speak very softly. Okay, now I'm going to put it a little bit higher, around here, and this is the audio quality from the microphone. The quick brown fox jumps over lazy dog, the quick brown fox jumps over lazy dog, the quick brown fox jumps over lazy dog. This is the length of the lavalier mic. Alright, so this is my final verdict of this product, the BOYA BY-WM8 PRO K2. Okay, in my opinion, this microphone is very easy to use. The sound quality is very good. Okay, and I already made some adjustment in Audition, in Adobe Audition, and I tried few equalizers, and it still can retain its quality. Alright, so for me, I think this is one of the best and the cheapest, okay, wireless lavalier microphone, wireless microphone system. I think this is one of the best wireless microphone system that you can buy. But the only downside is it uses AA batteries. Alright, and if I'm not mistaken, the battery life is around 6 hours, and some of you might think this system is quite expensive, which is around 600 ringgit, but to me this system has its own case. Okay, two transmitter and 1 receiver. Some other system only has 1 transmitter at this price range, but this system has 2 transmitters. Okay, so it's good for your interviews project, short video project, or for online teaching. Alright, and then there are 2 lavaliers included. Okay, and then some adapters and few accessories. Alright, so to me, I give this product as 8 out of 10 based on the price and the audio quality that came out of it, and it's very easy to use. Alright, so I see you guys again in the next review. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Bye.